Hello everyone, Chandler here. So today, and this past couple weeks, it's been raining, I've been sick, a lot of school stuff has been going on, and I haven't got to film actually in 2 weeks. So today is my first day getting back into it. And of course it's still raining. So I'm going to set up this board I have right here. This board I've used, this is actually the first blank board I've ever bought before, and it's still going strong. I had to cut it up though, because it was breaking at the nose and tail. But yeah, I have my toolbox of stuff right here, all my skate stuff. We're gonna put together a board and see what we can do in the rain. Let's go. All right, it's all put together. Let's go test it out. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. I am soaked. I recommend that to everybody who skates, to just keep a board that's almost broken. Don't snap it, don't give it away to someone else. Just use it as a rain board and just get some old trucks, old wheels, old bearings, stuff that doesn't work at all. The rain will make it go fast, it'll just rust it after, but you can use it again in the rain. Yeah, go play in the puddles, slide around, and have fun. Thank you guys for watching, and God bless.